Hi, kids. Today we talk about pronouns. What is pronoun? What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. When we talk about a boy, we use he. When we talk about a girl, we use she. When we talk about animals or things, we use it. When we talk about plural subjects, we use they. When we are talking to someone directly, we use you. I am a girl. You are a boy. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a vase. They are playing. He she, it. Which pronoun can be used here? He. Which pronoun can be used here? She. Which pronoun can be used here? It. Which pronoun can be used here? It. Which pronoun can be used here? They. Very good. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.